Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and today we've got a new crawler for the channel, so stay tuned. So yeah, welcome back. So yes, we've got a new SCX24, and you can see it's right there. Yep, let's go ahead and turn it around so you guys can. So there we go. We got an SCX24 Gladiator, and we got, looks like the tan edition, if you want to say, but it's completely stock. I got it turned on right now, but it's running stock electronics, so it's running the V2 Spectrum electronics in it instead of the original V1 Axial electronics. Like you see, the headlights are on. It's a little wet and damp out here today, but we've got it connected up, completely stock. And so you're going to be seeing this one appear on the channel too. We're going to eventually do some upgrades on it, but for now we're going to run it around stock. I don't have any upgrades done to it. There's no wheel weights, nothing with it, but it does look pretty cool. It's a super long wheelbase compared to the Deadbolt and the C10, but she's brand new. Look at that. You can see there's even a guy in there staring at us, little Mr. Cowboy. So I didn't really do a complete unboxing of this bad boy because I've seen way too many people do the unboxings of them. So we just pulled it out of the box. We're going to do a little introductory here, and we'll do a little bit of a run out here before the rain comes back. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so we'll get some shorts up on it, and you guys will see that running on some of the other crawler endeavors that we're going to do with the 24 scale. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.